Bring your legs in. We've got a little series of balances, just small balances. So for the first one, settle into one foot and stretch your legs straight out ahead of you. So it's just your heels just hovering off the ground. And then think about your leg being a pendulum. So it swings a little bit one way and a little bit the other way. Keep it small. So it's in your hip joint. I don't want it straying up into your back. Little one. And then when you've settled into that movement, add your arms in. So if you have your arms going in the opposite direction to your leg, it helps you to balance, in theory. Okay, so we go on the other side. So again, take your awareness into the sole of your foot, so you're really settling into that feeling of support. Other leg stretches out ahead of you. Then a little swing without your arms, first of all. So you get a feeling for moving your leg as just a piece of itself, just one part of your body. And then when you feel ready, you can add your arms in. Now you know how your arms work. And notice how it feels to move as an integrated body, where the whole of your body is getting involved in it. Still keep it small though. And then relax. Sink your foot onto the floor. Next one is similar. So settle into your first foot and you just lift your foot a tiny little bit. I don't mind how you get to that point. And when you feel stable, close your eyes. And put your foot down if you haven't already. We'll have a go on the other side. So again, sink into your foot. Really feel that foot. Get your balance stable first. And then when you feel ready, close your eyes. And then bring your foot to the floor. If you haven't done that already, give your legs a little wobble. I've got one last balance in the practice, but it's a bonus because you get to keep your eyes open this time. So settle into one foot and step your other foot out a little bit and get settled. Feel your breathing. Bring your arms up to shoulder height. Let your shoulders drop. Turn your palms forward so your thumb's on the top, but keep your elbows soft. It's almost like you've got a little weight in your elbows. And if you want to, you can start to lean across like you've just finished doing a cartwheel, just floating there. And notice how you breathe when you're balancing, or not breathe when you're balancing. And then ease your way back. Let your arms come down slowly so you really appreciate letting them go. Sink into your other foot and step the opposite foot out. If you want to do your arms again, bring them up to shoulder height. If they've had enough, just let them rest. Thumbs on the top, palms face forwards. You might stay here. It's a good balance already. You want to experiment. Remember that word, curiosity. Have a play with it. See how it goes. And then bring your leg in. Slowly let your arms come down and down. And then just once more, around and around. Let everything relax. Have your feet about hip width apart. And bring your hands onto your thighs and hinge forwards a little bit. Careful not to lock your knees back. Make sure your knees are a little bit soft. And then tuck your tailbone underneath and round your back. And then imagine reaching your tailbone up towards the ceiling. So you arch your back. And a couple more. So it's cat posture. Just releasing your lower back. And then this time, ease your way up again to standing.